This is what we need. Fish, I cut it and marinated. Then we need to put a powder, an egg, and a breadcrumbs. We need to roll it, roll it, roll it. Egg and breadcrumbs. Empty plate. Okay, guys. Let's start to roll it, the fish. Mega love shout out everyone. Here I am again, Maria Sabel Vlogs at your service. Hope you enjoy my cooking, guys. It's just pachamba. Pachamba. I'm rolling the fish fillet into the powder and then put into the egg, and then last is the breadcrumbs, guys. The fish I marinated with I have a garlic here, ginger and onions, and then I just blend it and then put there. So it's nice smell, guys. Add some salt and some chicken powder and a bit of sugar. After we coated all the fish, we need to fry it. Not really deep fry, but just half and medium fire. Okay, guys, enjoy. So here we are, guys. It's frying time. We need to wait that the oil will be hot. Oh, grandma is sneezing. Sorry. We need to wait for the oil to be hot a bit. Not that very hot, guys, because if it's so hot, the breadcrumbs will be burned. So it's a medium heat. Then slowly put the fish later on, guys, so it will not burn the breadcrumbs. Okay, so get ready, guys. We need to fry the fish, and one side I think is just around 1 to 2 minutes only. Don't overcook the fish or else it's very hard, the meat inside. Just wait until golden brown and then take it out. As you see, guys, I'm putting the fish. Is not that very hot, the oil. You can see it. So it will not burn the breadcrumbs. Medium fire, guys. Medium fire. guys, it's almost done. Just take out from the pan and then put in a plate with tissue so the oil will come out, and then it's ready. You can choose your own sauce, either mayonnaise, ketchup, whatever, soy sauce with chili or vinegar or sweet and sour sauce. It's just up to you. So guys, let's eat. Thanks for always watching on my channel, guys. Mostly to my YouTube family, to my Dreamers Connect, and to every one of you guys. To Rich 2 Week Vlogs in Canada, Karina Jusa in Thailand. I love you all, guys. Thanks for always there. See you next vlog.